This is Dr. Durga Prasad. Today we are going to operate a case of immediate extraction and immediate implant placement with basal implants in a mandibular first molar. Now this is the X-ray of this patient. This is the mandibular first molar. So it was having a periapical lesion and its lingual cusp was completely fractured. The tooth was non-restorable, plus there was a big periapical lesion. So we extracted this tooth. This is the extraction socket, and these are the roots. We sectioned the roots and then we extracted these teeth and degranulated the socket. Now we are going to place the implants. Now I am going to plan at least 2 implants, one lingual and one buccal. If possible, I may place a third implant if space permits. So let's see. Open. Now for mandibular lingual cortical engagement, I will first feel the mylohyoid ridge, which is very deep in this case. So I will go almost straight. First time placing in the distal socket. I will also place my finger lingually. So that I will feel my drill lingually. When I perforate the lingual cortical bone, see, I have just perforated the lingual cortical bone and I can feel the drill with my finger. So I will calculate the length at this juncture. You should just perforate the cortical bone and then you will calculate the depth. I have taken the length. I want the neck of the implant to be inside the socket, so I am taking a shorter implant. The length is 12 millimeters, so I will take a 12 millimeter implant only. Now I will place the 12 millimeter implant. Mata. Mata. तुम्ही चावताय माझ्या बोटावर चावू नका. Now I am getting a very good torque and also I can feel the implant has just come out of the lingual cortical blade. You can see it is very high torque, very high torque. So one implant I have placed, buccal to lingual. Now for stabilization I would like to place one implant labially. First we'll bend this implant. It's 12 millimeter implant, but it is you see, after bending 12 millimeter implant. No good, huh? Now I have drilled from buccal to palatal to buccal direction, and I can I have perforated the buccal cortical bone. I can feel my burr over here. So now I will just place that implant according to the length. Now I have engaged the buccal cortical plate. Okay. Now I will bend the implant. I am going to bend this implant. So these two implants, we will weld them intraorally and we'll place a temporary PMMA crown on it. And after healing, we'll put a permanent prosthesis. Now we are welding this two implants. So we have adapted the wire on both the implants. I'm just going to weld it. First implant we have welded. Now second implant also we are welding. After welding, we'll just cut the extra wire and we'll do the crown preparation accordingly. So these are our implants after trimming. So we have adjusted the intraocclusal distance, the clearance, mouse tsawa, and we'll just take a scan. You can see the longer one is lingual, this one distal one is lingual, the mesial one is buccal. The buccal one appears shorter because it has a more buccal inclination, horizontal inclination, so that is why it is looking short. Now we have splinted these two with welding, intraoral welding. Now we'll just take a scan and we'll place an PMMA crown on this. So now we have taken the scan. As you can see, complete in-depth scan. We'll make a prosthesis, PMMA prosthesis, in such a way that it goes inside the depth and we'll get a good emergence profile. Okay, and then we'll try to replace it. If the PMMA prosthesis is well enough, we'll continue with the same. If not, if there is any problem, we can replace it with a zirconia prosthesis later on. You can see there is proper clearance and we have got a very good margin. So this is a Medit i500 scanner which is doing a great job. Thank you. And